School Census 2025 data collection of teachers and principals using offline program. This video explain you how to start your data entry. First, you need to open the ASP1 final program. Already we mentioned you that we download the CS4 7.6, then we install that one already installed in this computer. Then we put the ASP1 folder in the desktop and we open this one. Then we want to go into the program. We need to click on the TPI 2025 icon. It's a color light like icon. We can go into the program data entry mode. This is the school census 2025 teacher and principal information. Here version 2.1. We start our data entry. Start with the putting your school or divisional or zonal user ID. I take an example of Kopai Mahavidyalaya. In Kopai, username S092221, then the 01 is the usual way. Then I enter. Then I need to enter the password. We have provide all the schools, divisions, and so on. Password with 8 digits. Then OK. Then we all move into the main menu. Then we need to select the school menu for the our data entry purpose. Here now you can move to the confirm select section. We are from Kopai Mahavidyalaya data officer or start their data entry like this. Then Sean Jaffna, Kopai division 0921 Kopai Mahavidyalaya is your school. You need to check this one before going into the data entry. Then you need to select this number 2 SP1 data entry. Then we move to the uh, digital format of the ASP1, which is we use for fill the uh, all the principals and teachers information in manually in hard copies. Now we looking at the hard copy and start the filling. When any school data entry started, it is better to start with the principal or acting principal, that is the head of the school's information. Sometimes his hard copy is not completed, even we can start the data entry of that particular person. If it is they are partially entered, it is better to enter partially and save temporarily. I start the serial number for all the head of the schools are 1. Then I put 1 and put the tab key in the our desktop or laptop computer's keyboard. Then we need to enter the NIC number, which is 12 digits or 10 digits, according to the new one and old one. I put the NIC of this particular principal, 1972-108-00368. Then we move to the next question, that is IM employment or spreadsheet number. Here 13165, then enter the tab key. This is the person, is a male person, is Mr. I select the title as the Mr. Then I want to put the name, he is R. I put all in capitals, but it's not necessarily, but it is better to put in capitals. I put his name, then again put the tab key. Then he is the actually the acting principal of that particular school. Then the service base is number one, included in salaries and serving in this school. His birthday 1972, month of April. Then the date he mentioned it as 18. Then this type of things, this NIC is not matched with the date we mentioned, that this program automatically give us this is not consistent with the NIC. This type of time you need to temporarily save this type of information and going for the here we can use the save temporarily because I want to clarify it with the principal. It's the birth date has an issue with the system. Then I use this save temporarily option. If we are save temporarily, it's save like this with the plus mark. Now I want to continue my data entry. Even principal is not there, then we don't have chance to clarify the his other information. It is better to start the second one. This is the way we can add add second one. Then I sometime it will be a number two, sometime three, whatever the way. I put the number two deputy principal's information. NIC 9798378. Then the employment number should 1, 2, 3 like. He is almost Mrs. Sorry, it is Mr. Title number 3 answer Balchandran. Then he is the deputy principal of this school. Number 5 for the answer. Then birth year 1979, month of August 15th. He is a female. Sorry. Then he is a male, which is incorrect. Then Tamil, then the Hindu, then the married, then higher education. Like that, we need to answer all the questions. That you need to continue. Uh, I will put some of the answers, but it's not mentioned here because of this is not very much important for us to continue this one. He is a deputy principal. He is from the principal service. People from the teachers services, and if it is any ISS in your school, then these four questions, question number 18, 19, and 20, you need to answer basically on the appointment subject related information. This is the principal service person, is a deputy principal in this school. It's not necessary answer. Then the question number 21 is usually then the 27 we select him for the supervision of the grade 6 to 11 like that. Then we qualification is again not mismatched with the qualification you provided. Then the assigned day to the school is in this school. Then how do we save the data? Now we put answer all the 39 questions of this particular person is a deputy principal. Actually, we answers around 25 questions for the principals, then the principal service people, SLES, and other people. But if it is a teacher service person who doing teaching, you need to answer all 39 questions. Now we have completed our data entry. Now we know how to save this data. Then we come to the question number 40. You need to put tab key again. Then CS4 data entry asks from us accept this case. Then you want to put the yes. If you say no, this is not saving. If it is yes, it's saving. I put the yes for the data savings. Now you can see there are two data points in our this particular school. First one principal data partially saved. Deputy principal one is completely saved. This is the way you need to answer your questions like that. If your school have 45, 60 teachers, then you have data in like that. This is the way you need to, how do you need to start the data entry, how you temporarily save the data, how you completely save data. This is I want to explain from this record video recordings. Okay, we will meet in another recording.